Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google's Gemini AI launch, WhatsApp's status updates integration with Instagram, Meta's AI integration in WhatsApp, Epic Games Fortnite live service games, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google's conversational AI Gemini AI is set to debut in January 2024, entering the competitive landscape against OpenAI's ChatGPT. Gemini AI is anticipated to possess robust generative capabilities utilizing multimodal learning techniques to handle various data formats like text, images, code, and audio. Google encountered challenges as Gemini proved less effective in handling queries in languages other than English, prompting delays in its release. Google dedicated substantial computing resources and consolidated major teams to expedite Gemini AI's development, emphasizing its commitment to competing with OpenAI. Designed to cater to diverse applications, Gemini aims to merge different data types, enhancing its capabilities for advanced tasks across various domains. According to DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis, Gemini is expected to surpass OpenAI's ChatGPT, marking a significant advancement in conversational AI technology. Next, we have WhatsApp is working on an optional feature enabling users to share status updates directly to Instagram, streamlining content sharing. Spotted in the latest WhatsApp beta version, the feature allows users to control which status updates are shared, enhancing user preferences and control. The integration not only saves users time but also ensures the reliability and consistency of sharing content between WhatsApp and Instagram. Users have the flexibility to manage their Instagram story audience, deciding which update to share and maintain control over their shared content. The integration facilitates seamless audience engagement across both platforms, allowing users to interact effortlessly without duplicating efforts. WhatsApp is actively working on further enhancing the sharing feature to make it compatible with Instagram, promising future improvements. Rockstar Games announces the release of the Grand Theft Auto GTA 6 trailer on 5th December at 9 am Eastern Time, featuring a setting resembling GTA Vice City. According to Bloomberg, GTA 6 is expected to be set in a fictionalized version of Miami, akin to GTA Vice City, and may include the series' first playable female character. Netflix announces the availability of Grand Theft Auto Trilogy, the definitive edition on its mobile app for iOS and Android devices starting 14th December. Subscribers can pre-register from 30th November, gaining access to play the games on the Netflix mobile app. The Indian audience can expect the GTA 6 trailer on 5th December at 7:30 p.m., contributing to the global anticipation of the highly awaited game. Chinese smartphone manufacturer iQOO prepares for the launch of the iQOO 12 scheduled for 12th December. With exclusive benefits for users, iQOO introduces a priority pass offering benefits like early access to sale event, creating a unique and exclusive experience for users. The priority pass booking window spans from 5th December to 7th December, providing a 1-week lead up to the official iQOO 12 launch. Priority pass holders can place orders 24 hours before the official sale, and they receive Vivo TWS earphones valued at Rs 2,999 as an added incentive. Availability of priority passes is limited, and the cost of the pass will be adjusted towards the final price of the iQOO 12, enhancing user engagement. Samsung Galaxy A55 is set to launch in March 2024, succeeding the Galaxy A54 5G. Featuring a 6.5-inch flat display with Full HD Plus resolution and various color options. The smartphone is expected to be powered by an Exynos 1480 SoC with a 50-megapixel primary rear camera sensor and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Galaxy A55 is anticipated to be priced at Rs 38,999 for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant, positioning it in the competitive mid-range segment. Available in Awesome Lime, Awesome Graphite, Awesome Violet, and Awesome White color options, catering to diverse consumer preferences. As a follow-up to the Galaxy A54 5G, the Galaxy A55 aims to offer upgraded features and specifications. contributing to Samsung's diverse product portfolio. Next up, we have Meta integrates AI into WhatsApp, introducing an AI-powered chatbot in the latest WhatsApp beta for Android, enhancing user interactions. The chatbot, powered by advanced technology, offers a shortcut button for quick access, enabling users to access real-time web results, plan trips, and generate images. The AI assistant collaborates with Microsoft's Bing Chat, allowing users to receive answers, plan trips, and get real-time web results within the WhatsApp platform. Additional features introduced in the WhatsApp beta include a status update filter and a See All button, contributing to improved organization and user experience. Meta's commitment to providing these features free of charge underscores its dedication to enhancing user experience and accessibility, positioning WhatsApp as a comprehensive messaging platform. At last, Epic Games reveals 3 new live service games within Fortnite: Rocket Racing, Fortnite Festival, and Lego Fortnite. Lego Fortnite marks the collaboration between the Lego Group and Epic Games, offering a survival crafting Lego adventure with additional visual transformations. Rocket Racing, an arcade racing game, and Fortnite Festival, a music and rhythm game created by Harmonix, add diverse gaming experience within Fortnite. The first season kicks off with The Weeknd, and future seasons will feature contributions from other music icons, promising ongoing engagement for Fortnite players. Netflix also announces the availability of the Grand Theft Auto Trilogy, the definitive edition, on its mobile app, expanding the gaming experiences for subscribers on iOS and Android devices. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।